Don't rob Peter to pay Paul, which is something, my mother always taught me. I was always told that don't spend money you don't have. Don't spend money that's not your own money. There always were 3 buckets to put your money in. Your savings, something philanthropic, and something to spend. I always want to have enough money in my business that, God forbid, something happened, I could still run my business for quite some time and not let anybody go and really feel okay until things turned around, because they always do. It's really all about not spending what's not yours. The other thing I would say is that you want to make money on your people. So there are people that are always going to work for you that aren't the money makers, but that are key to the success of the business, which is separate. But any designer that works for me has to be making their salary plus some. So you're almost marking your people up. That's really important. And also the 2 buckets I mentioned, you can't give away the shop all the time. If you really need to educate your client about what their responsibility is and what your responsibility is, because I've seen a number of businesses fail because they didn't educate the client about something, and then the client decides, well, you have to pay me back for this because I don't like it. To me, it always boils down to good communication and a good good relationship between the 2 parties, so that you're not constantly paying for the mistakes that always happen. Being business savvy is very important, which also means having project managers to manage the creative process. Designers can tend to just want to design, and then you're not tracking your time, and then you're spending more hours on something, and then you end up not making money on it. So project managers are really good at helping organize the project, keep the job on track with budgets. We do time billing budgets, we do merchandise budgets, we do presentation schedules. We're very organized in the back end and in the office, so that we are able to get through a project and be successful at it. When I get the feedback from different contractors, for instance, who like working with us, is that we're really organized. We are sticking to our budgets, and we're educating our clients.